My name is Chris Gentry, and I invite you into my world of art, which is Earth Spirit Designs. This unique collection of mixed media sculpture and weavings is created almost exclusively from natural, sustainable elements I collect in the wild. These materials include juniper, willows and tamarisk, stone, and a variety of other elements. Including blown glass. It is very important to me that my work is eco-friendly, and my work is a tribute to the rich biodiversity of this planet. Many of my designs have a distinct Southwest flavor and include hand-painted images. I encourage you to visit my website at earthspiritdesigns.com, or better yet, come visit my studio located in a unique natural setting just outside of Crawford, Colorado. The very brief trail to my studio features many of my outdoor creations that can be implemented into your landscape or garden, and the entrance and setting alone are worth the trip. Call me for an individual appointment, which of course will require social distancing.